Hi, I am Lopamudra Sen. Welcome back to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial. Today, another important topic I will discuss, that is based on the unipolar junction transistor. We will solve the NET question paper, that is UGT. Okay, so let's start our class. The question is, the intrinsic stand of ratio for a UJT is 0.6 if the inter-base resistance is 10 kilo ohm. The values of the RB1 and RB2 are, first option is 6 kilo ohm and 4 kilo ohm, second option is 4 kilo ohm and 6 kilo ohm, third option is 5 kilo ohm and 5 kilo ohm, fourth option is 10 kilo ohm and 10 kilo ohm. This question is from UGC Net 2012 paper 3 June Electronic Science. How we solve this problem? What is the basic concept of unipolar junction transistor? We know that this is here one diode we consider, right? PN diode. And here we consider one resistance, and here we consider another resistance. Okay, this resistance value is RB2 and this resistance value is RB1. This is the base 2 terminal and this is the base 1 terminal, right? So in the base 2 and base 1 terminal we get the inter-base resistance, and this value is given here, that is the 10 kilo ohm, right? So what is the intrinsic standoff ratio? That is represented by eta, and that is equal to RB1 divided by RB1 plus RB2. Okay, and this RB1 plus RB2 is the inter-base resistance RBB, that is the 10 kilo ohm. This value is given in the question paper, and intrinsic standoff ratio value, that is 0.6 value, this is also given in the question. So how we solve this question? So let's see the solution. Okay, so here is the solution. First, we know on the basic concept of unipolar junction transistor, that is eta equal to RB1 divided by RB1 plus RB2. Eta is the intrinsic standoff ratio, and this value is given in the question paper, that is 0.6. So that is equal to RB1 divided by RBB. RBB is the inter-base resistance, that is equal to 10 kilo ohm, which is also given in the question paper. So what we get, that is RB1 equal to 6 kilo ohm, right? So the inter-base resistance RBB equal to, we get RB1 plus RB2. If RB1 is the 6 kilo ohm, then RB2 value is 4 kilo ohm. So the right option is 6 kilo ohm and 4 kilo ohm. Okay. So this is the June 2012 paper 3 electronic science question paper. Okay. I hope you understand this topic. Thank you. If you like my channel, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.